Hi guys, I'm Mandy. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining us. Hopefully you'll get something out of this, and if you do, please consider subscribing, liking my videos and hitting that notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded a new video. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of a company called 2400. They sell all merch, you know, t-shirts, jumpers, hoodies, hats, everything of local Australian bands, usually heavy music, pop punk, that kind of thing. But they also do sell international bands and big bands, Metallica, you know, that kind of thing. So today is going to be an unboxing. Over Christmas time, I don't think they're available anymore, so I do apologise. Otherwise, I would leave a link down below. But the store is called 2400, and just before Christmas, they were selling mystery boxes where you pay $150. It was free shipping, and you either got a pair of free socks, free gift wrapping, or a free set of reusable metal straws. So this box is $150. Again, it was mystery. You don't know what was in it, you don't know what you were getting, so it's always a nice surprise, especially around Christmas time, to get yourself something. So this is 2 boxes worth, and the first one that we got was a State Champs long sleeve t-shirt. So there's no writing on the sleeves. That's the front, State Champs daisies, and then on the back it's got this graphic, and it's basically got lyrics to one of their songs on it. So I really like State Champs, so I'll keep this one. This is a good one for me to keep. So the next one is this gorgeous hot pink, hang on, let me get it sorted, hot pink hoodie, tie-dyed, Panic at the Disco. I'm not a massive fan of Panic, but I do like them. But I love this jumper. It's really thick. It's going to be great for winter. Far too hot for me now. Even this top I've got on, which is In Heart's Wake Hellbringer. This wasn't in the box. I got this from a recent gig that we went to, but this matches my hair and I think it looks nice, and I love the color. So that's the front, Panic at the Disco, and that's the back. So it's super cool, super warm for when the winter does roll back around. Hopefully not for a while yet, and I'll be keeping that one. The next one is a crew neck. And this is Between the Buried and Me. So it's like a purple, dusty purple in color, and that's the front, and that is the back. It's got it's all their songs, or some of their songs, not all of them. So their songs are on the back, the band initials, graphic, colors, bring Between the Buried and Me colors. So that's a really nice dusty purple crew neck. I love this. So these are all in a size large. I love this, but I'll probably end up putting this up on eBay, or if you see something that you like, comment, and we'll come up with a price. But so the items that I'll keep, I'll put here. The ones I'm going to sell, I'll put just behind me. So Between the Buried and Me, large, I will sell that one. So we'll pop that just there. Okay, this one is a t-shirt, again, size large, and it's Unified Gathering, Celebrate the Noise. So that's the graphic there. Super cool. I will be keeping this. I don't actually go to Unify. We usually go away at that time, and this year it's been postponed to an, I can't even remember when it's been postponed, but this is the Unify Celebrate the Noise t-shirt that was in the box. Love it, love it, love it. So I'll be keeping that one. The next item, we have a cream colored t-shirt with hot pink graphic. Garbage. So I don't listen to Garbage, so I will be selling this. This is also a large. Anybody who wants it, comment down below and we'll come up with something. These are really good quality t-shirts too. They're either Gildan or AS Color. The AS Color seem a little bit longer in the torso, whereas the Gildan sort of fit me better. If you're a real tall bean, then a AS Color would suit you well because they seem to be quite long in the torso. So this one's an AS, this is a Gildan. Garbage. I won't be keeping that. I'll be selling it. So that can go there. The next one is Panic at the Disco long sleeve. Turn up the crazy. So we have no graphics on this arm, but we do have the Panic logo on that arm. So that's the front. And there's nothing on the back. I won't be keeping this. This is a large. No, this is an extra large. So that will be for sale. Then we have a Born of Osiris hoodie. So it's got their logo on the front. The hood. It's got graphic down the sleeve. And down the other sleeve. And then on the back, it's got this graphic. So this is a size, this is AS Color in a size large. Really nice, thick, really good quality. As much as I like the band, I won't be keeping that. So that will be for sale as well. The next one we have is Shortstack. They're going to be playing at Unify this year. So this is, I don't like this band, but I love this t-shirt. I love the graphic on it. This is AS Color and it is extra large. So it's just got that graphic on the front, nothing on the back. As much as I love the graphic, I don't listen to the band. I don't really like them. So that will be for sale as well. And the next one we have is the Ghost. This is the Ghost inside. So this is a nice cornflower blue extra large, the Ghost inside crew neck. So that's the front. There's no graphics on the arm and there's no graphics on the back. So really nice, really good quality. Will be fantastic for Wednesday? For winter. I mean, you could wear this on Wednesday if you wanted to. It's completely up to you. I'm not telling you what to do. But anyway, look, this will be great for winter. Again, if you like this, hit me up. We'll see what we can do. So that's for sale. Then we have, this is a t-shirt and it's another Garbage t-shirt. So that's the graphic. It says Garbage, God's Masters. Again, this is a Gildan size extra large. There's no graphic on the back, but the front looks like that. So that will be going up for grabs. So if you like that, yell out. We'll do a deal with these. This is another t-shirt. It's the Story So Far. It's a nice green color with like a iron-on print on the front. This is AS Color in extra large. So the Story So Far, that's the front and that's the back. So that will be going up for grabs. I don't know whether I said AS color, extra large. The next one is an Architect's snapback. So that's what the graphic looks like. That's what the back looks like. So it's black and olive or army green khaki. So Architect's Holy Hell. So that's a nice snapback. That too will be going for sale. What's the next one? Your navy blue Gildan size large t-shirt. Yours truly. So it says yours truly, rising and falling graphic on the front, and on the back is the constellations rising and falling. So that's the back. Again, that one will be up for grabs. Gildan size large, yours truly. And the lucky last is a black t-shirt from, not sure where from, AS color, size large, and it is Architects. So that's the graphic on the front. It's actually, dyeing is absolutely safe, it says, and it's actually embroidered on. So this is really good quality. That's embroidered on, not printed. So that's the front. Dyeing is absolutely safe, and the back is just plain. So again, AS color, size large. That will also be for sale. So that is the box, guys. So quite a few things there. That, well, there's two boxes. So comment below if there's anything there that you see you'd like, aside from the ones that I'm keeping. Shout out, yell out, let me know, contact me any way you can, and we'll go from there. But otherwise, I'm going to be putting them up on eBay this week, so they'll be up there. And that will do it for this one, guys. Have a great night, stay safe, and I'll see you later. Bye.